When you're finding coterminal angles, you are either adding 360 degrees or you are subtracting 360 degrees, depending upon the direction that you are going around the coordinate plane. So here we're taking a look at 36 degrees, which is approximately right around here. And so therefore, if I'm looking at coterminal angles, what I'm doing is I'm finding how many times can I go around and still land at that same location, depending upon which direction am I going, either in the positive or negative. In this case, if I subtract 360 degrees the first time, I get negative 324. But sometimes what you're doing is you are increasing the number of times you're going around the coordinate plane. So if I do it one more time, minus 360, I get our answer to be negative 684 degrees.